Hello everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Australian dollar versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, Bitcoin versus US dollar, and the dollar index. I will start with Australian dollar versus US dollar first. What we can see here is that last week the Australian dollar rejected of the single prints from the background. We can see here that there was a bigger upside and bullish imbalance that came from this area here, and market basically tested that and rejected. But the interesting point here is this was a very climatic rejection, lots of emotional reactions from this area, which is a sign that this can also be a climatic on the upside and that the downside might actually take control. So I will not be surprised if we can see the market can retake and trade below the pin bar low, so below the 0.640, and then eventually to go towards the beginning of this imbalance around 0.6572. So that's one potential scenario. We can also see that the metals are trading to the downside, and which can also help Australian dollar to go lower. Now for the upside scenario, obviously I would like to see a breakout and hold above the pin bar high at 0.6750. So something like the buyers can come in and then join and hold above, then this will be a good sign for potential test of 0.6837 or even a 0.6865. From this perspective, the downside scenario is more likely to develop based on a previous price action and based on the development in the metal sector. So if we speak about the gold market, this is we got a rejection, and we can see that we almost the gold almost actually took this pin bar low. We are very close to take the whole pin bar low at 2024. And it's similar to the Australian dollar. We can see market had a breakout of the rising trend line in the background and tried to rebuy and then failed. And this is where the thing started, and where we shifted the trend dynamic from the bull side to the bear side. So we can also see here the market after the employment numbers in the US on Friday, market did a big rejection, and then actually lots of sellers came from 2063 area. So likely scenario is the market can take the low, and if we can hold below this 2024 or 2016, then there is a chance for the rotation into the 1986 or all the way down into the 1982. The alternative scenario, and anything meaningful to the upside, I would really like to see the market to regain the high 2063 and hold above. And that would be a good sign for potential rally towards the 2078 or even 2087. But a downside scenario is most likely to develop based on this, based on the condition that we have. Now, speaking of the crude oil, it's I will go to the 4-hour time frame. So we have a big consolidation. So we have this and this area here. So market is building this consolidation, and this can also take some time to develop more, but then the potential breakout either upside for this kind of scenario or the downside for this kind of scenario might be in the play. So consolidation in progress, and the resistance here at 76.12, so hold above this level potentially can be a very good catalyst for the higher prices, or the 79.90 or even 82 mark. If we can clear downside and let's say trade below 67.95 and hold below, then there is a chance for even lower prices like 64 or 62 even to be on the test. So consolidation in progress on the crude oil. Now, speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we still have also a consolidation. So we had one fake breakout and sell-off, then market rejected of the lows. So we can see the key cluster support is around 40,200 mark. At this point, market is also building some tight consolidation. So there is a chance in the next period. So either if we can retake the 46,000 and hold above, there is a chance for 48,000 or 49,000 to be on the test. But if we can trade lower and trade below the this support cluster, then there is a chance for the lower prices towards the 36,000 mark. The situation on dollar index, we can see that key resistance is around 102.80, or let's say 103 mark. Market, we had this rejection, but now seems like market we're still building higher lows, so it seems like that there is also a chance for another rebreak of this pin bar and then potentially a retest of 104. From other side, if market can clear the pin bar low at 101.82 and hold below, there is a chance for retest of 101.35 or even 100.64. That'll be everything for this update, guys. Hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow morning.